Hi guys, welcome to Reese's Home, and today I will be making a banana upside down cake. As you can see, I have started creaming the butter and the sugar, and I'm adding the eggs, and I'm just incorporating everything now so that it's nice and fluffy. I like when my cake batter is fluffy, and because it makes the cake lighter. So I'm adding the eggs one at a time, and I'm mixing. The eggs should be room temperature, and I am using organic free run egg. That's what I'm using. So now, here I am adding the flour. I'm adding a small amount at a time. The flour already has baking powder, salt, and it has spices that I've added to it. And I'm just folding things in now. I'm adding some dairy-free milk to this. However, you can use regular milk if that's what you choose. Sometimes I even use yogurt. The recipe will be in the description box for this banana upside down cake. Here I have sliced bananas that I lay in my baking pan. I put parchment paper. I sprinkle it with brown sugar and cinnamon powder. Then I pour the batter on and bake at 350. Then I flip it over once it cools slightly, and it's banana upside down cake. So delicious. I hope you try it.